Hey guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Arm & Hammer Fresh and Natural Household Odor Eliminator. If you've been under a rock or just not living in the world, you haven't heard of Arm & Hammer. I mean, everyone's heard of Arm & Hammer. And basically, this is a baking soda. And baking soda has been around, I don't know, since the beginning of time. I mean, I remember my grandmother buying baking soda when I was a kid and using it for just about everything. I mean, you could use it to even brush your teeth with. I mean, it's amazing. It's probably from outer space or something. I don't know, but it is really, really an incredible product. This one is especially for household odors and eliminating them. It's really, really good. Baking soda is, I mean, you can always count on that because, I mean, it's really stood the test of time and it's done just about everything, especially keeping things fresh and nice. This one is used this way. It stands this way, and on each side of the box has these flaps, and you take these off like this, and there's another side like this with the same cutout, and both sides, when you tear this part off, will look like this. And you sit it anywhere where you feel that needs to be fresh. You could, I mean, it's especially good in closets, anywhere near cat boxes, you know, by where your pet hangs out, bathrooms especially. Yeah, it's really good for keeping things extremely fresh. Now, if you want to look at a downside, is it's only really good for keeping fresh in small areas like refrigerators, closets, okay, bathrooms, things like that, but not in huge, large rooms like the big living room or the garage or anything like that. If you're going to use it for something like that, you would have to probably buy more than one, you know, like use several of them in one room or something in a large room. But it's great. It really does good. I've noticed it does really good on keeping shoes that may be in your closet from having that foot odor, and anything where you're sweating, like your gym bag, or where you're keeping your gym socks in, or the closet where you may have your dirty laundry or anything like that. Yeah, I mean, it really, really eliminates it. I'm not sure how it does it. I mean, I'd like to study it and see what the secret is, but it really, really works well. There's something about baking soda. Yeah, so like I said, the only real thing you have to really think about is how large the room you're going to use it in is, and if this size is going to work for you. Like I said, you should probably use several if the room is very big. Yeah, but this is really good. And what you're going to do is, after, like anywhere where you're trying to keep it fresh, you're going to keep this in there for 30 days, okay? And then you're going to get another one. So you change it every 30 days. And this thing is spill proof, so you don't have to worry about that. And boy, it's really good. I mean, to keep everything fresh for an entire month is phenomenal. Especially, you can put this in your refrigerator and keep all your food fresh, and it's safe. You know, it's really, really good. You just change it out every 30 days. Really great. How hard is that? And it's very economical, very cheap to buy. Arm & Hammer baking soda is a product that's been around for a long time, and it does very well about keeping things fresh. And it's been very economical to actually use the product. And but this one specially is for odors. So yeah, this is baking soda, and everybody should run out and get some. Yeah, like I said, my grandmother turned me on to this. My grandmother turns me on to a lot of things. But baking soda, especially Arm & Hammer baking soda, is the deal, and it's done very well by me. Okay, guys, that is the Arm & Hammer Fresh and Natural Household Odor Eliminator. Yes, all right, I hope you use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye, guys.